Climate change has had an immense impact on average temperatures and precipitation rates. In recent years, some areas of the world have been experiencing higher than average temperatures and below average rainfalls, causing more severe droughts. This makes an area such as Cape Town, South Africa, extremely vulnerable to droughts as it has been experiencing unusually hot weather, lower than average precipitation, and its water supply is completely dependent on rainfall. Scientists predict that if global emissions are not limited to prevent global temperatures from increasing by 1.5 degrees, southwestern South Africa, including Cape Town, will experience drastic increases in average temperature, drier climates, decreases in rainfall, and more frequent droughts. This could ultimately cause the dry city of Cape Town to be increasingly vulnerable to wildfires as well. This is terrible news as Cape Town is already experiencing some of the worst droughts in the country's history. Starting in 2015 and ending in 2018, the city experienced the worst drought in over a century. This city was so devastated by the drought that officials implemented a day zero, where dams would essentially run dry and the city would run out of water. This water supply shortage was the result of increasingly unpredictability and severity of the weather due to climate change and government failure. These droughts have devastated the crops of the country, making it almost impossible to grow or produce many needed foods. This has caused not only a water shortage, but a food shortage, leading to the malnutrition of millions of South Africans. These droughts have also drastically impacted the country's wildlife industry, as it has been experiencing extreme animal and land loss. This, in turn, affected the economy, which heavily relies on tourism, agriculture, jobs, and lives of millions of Cape Town residents. The Day Zero campaign caused civil unrest and panic within many residents. It was a wake-up call. Citizens were forced to limit the amount of water consumed in their daily lives by reusing shower water and more to help conserve water. If they did not comply, they were fined. Luckily, by using these tactics, the city of Cape Town was able to avoid Day Zero and still has available water to this day. The drought and water shortage caused many citizens to reconsider their water usage and encouraged South Africans to seek out efficient and alternative water sources.